one of the ways that you were getting business was going into open houses and talking to people.
Yeah.
And I got to tell you that I have said this to loan officers, like, well, how do I get business? Or how do I generate leads? And I always throw in the open house, and people look at me like I'm crazy for even recommending that. And so walk me through your approach on this and why it worked for you.
It is a little awkward. It is, but to me, it's less awkward than cold calling some random person that I've never met before. Yeah. So a brand new introduction phone call, someone I'm barely meeting, I'd rather do that in person. So to me, that's what it was. I'm like, I'm going to go out to these realtors. I know they're there. They're going to be there for the next 3 hours. Yeah. So I figured that's the best place to get them because they can't leave. So it just made sense to me. And so I just forced myself to do it. Like, I told myself I was going to do it every single weekend. And I was going to do 5 no matter what. And there were a million other strategies that went into that, like bringing flyers, not bringing flyers, calling ahead of time. Like I changed a lot of the strategies up with it, but at the end of the day, I have to go to 5 open houses every single weekend, no matter what. Like I said, a whole lot went into it, but I did it for a year. I did it for my very first year. That's all I did. Because when I came over here, I only had probably maybe 5 like realtors that I knew were sending me business or liked me that we had done business with. So I knew and if that's where the business was coming from, I had to get more realtors. So it was just like I said, a mathematical equation that's where the business comes from. So yeah, and I didn't make it hard. Like I figured, you know what, I'll stick to my zip codes. I'll find places because on any given day there's 27 open houses and probably in your own zip code over the weekend.
Where do you think in your head that comes from in your upbringing that mechanism to walk up to somebody at an open house where 90% of other LOs are afraid to do that?
I don't know. Like I said, I've just always kind of been very, very numbers oriented, very right brain. So to me, it's like, if I don't talk to a realtor, I'm 100% not getting the sale.
That's it, right? Yeah.
100%. But if I do, there's a chance that I could, make a relationship. But if I don't, then I won't 100%. So there's not really a fear factor there because I just keep it mathematical. I don't know.